How to do curved line animation in Davinci Resolve. Right-click in the media pool and select New Fusion Composition. Double-click on the composition to open it on the Fusion page. Add a background node, connect it to Media Out, and change its color. With the background node selected, click on Polygon Mask to add a mask to it. Now click on the preview to add some points. Click on this button to select all the points. Click on this button to add curve to the points. Set border width to around 0.01. Now we can use length and position properties to animate this line. Set length to around 0.06. Move the playhead to the start, and set position to -0.01 so now we can go below 0, then drag the handle until it is out of the frame. Click on diamond button next to position to make a starting keyframe. Move the playhead to frame 90 and set position to 1.01 to make a second keyframe. To smoothen the animation, open up Spline panel and check the Polygon checkbox. Click on this button to see all the keyframes. Click on this button to select all the keyframes. Click on this button to add curves to the keyframes. To add more lines, select Background and Polygon nodes, press Ctrl+C, then click anywhere empty and press Ctrl+V to paste them. Connect the output of duplicate background to the output of background 1 to merge them. Select duplicate background and change its color. Select the duplicate polygon, click on this button to select all the points, and press Delete key to delete them. Then with this tool add some other points. Once again select all the points and add a curve to them. Now go back to Edit page and drag the composition into Timeline.